In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by opening tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. In this pop-up to disable location, select close. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my shortcut is grey. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and click on location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!